Good morning, students. I hope you all understood the chapter 1 and chapter 2 very well and completed the given worksheet of chapter 1 and also chapter reading of both chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today we will do exercises of chapter 1 through this video. First of all, I will give you the instructions of EVS notebook. You have to use this type of EVS notebook which has a side blank and a side lining. Whenever you start chapter in your notebook, you will lift first page and start writing from second page. First, you will write the date here, and then in the first line you will mention chapter number, then skip one line, and in third line you will mention chapter name. Don't write CH1 or L1. The chapter's name and number have to be underlined with a ruler, and make sure your writing should be neat and clean. I hope you understood well. So come on to textbook page number 6. Exercises. A. Take the correct option. That means there are 3 options. You have to choose one. First, paternal grandfather is father's. Options are father, brother, uncle. Paternal means related through your father. So, paternal grandfather is father's father. So, right answer is father. Second, cousin is uncle's aunt. Options are child, brother, sister. So cousin means children of your uncle or aunt. So right answer is option 1, child. Third, uncle is mother's father. Options are first father, second brother, third uncle. Uncle is mother's father's means mother's or father's brother. So right answer is option 2. Fourth, aunt is mother's father's. Options are sister, daughter, mother. Aunt is mother's father's means mother's or father's sister. So right answer is option 1, sister. Now on second exercise, exercise B, fill in the blanks. First, the members of a family usually have a common dash. That means, what is the same thing in the family members? Answer is surname. So, the member of a family usually have a common surname. Second, a member of your family who does not live with you is called a dash. That means the family member who does not live with you is called relative. The member of your family who does not live with you is called a relative. The answer is relative. Third, there are many families that have an dash child living with the parents. That means many families have an adopted child. Adopted means to take a child into your family by law. So answer is adopted. There are many families that have an adopted child living with the parents. Fourth, your mother's mother is your dash grandmother. Mother's mother means related through your mother. So answer is maternal. Your mother's mother is your maternal grandmother. Now third, C, match the following. Column A and column B. There are two columns. Column A and column B. First, paternal. Paternal means related through your father. So answer is option third. So first match with option third. Second, cousins. Cousins means children of your uncle or aunt. So match with option 4. Third, adopted. Adopted means made a part of a family by law. So match with option 2. Surname. Surname means last name or family name. So a family name shared by family members. Fourth, match with 1. Match these columns with the help of ruler. Now I am reading exercise D and E for you. Write the differences between the following. First, big family and small family. Second, maternal grandparents and paternal grandparents. Third, nuclear family and joint family. Fourth, generation and relatives. Now exercise E. Answer the following questions. What is a nuclear family? Second, what is a joint family? Third, what does the word maternal mean? Fourth, what is a family tree? Exercise D and E you will do in your notebook and word meaning also. The answer key of exercise D and E and word meanings uploaded in our school website. Please collect from there. In your notebook, you first write word meaning, then write question answers and reasons. From your book, you write questions and answers from the answer key. Thank you.